Hello everyone, today I want to introduce you to a smart solution for every bakery, hotel, and cake manufacturer, our cake cutting machine. This is multi-pattern cake cutting machine. I can cut all kinds of cakes and pastry like sponge cakes, cream cakes, jam cakes, butter cakes, brownies, pizza, birthday cakes, Swiss rolls, bar cakes, layered pastries, plum cakes, dry cake, bar cakes, frozen cakes, multi-layer cakes, fudge cakes, etc. Our cake cutting machine can cut different shapes like rectangular, square, triangle, diamond, half diamond, round into pieces and polygon, etc. Capacity. Cutting speed minimum 20 cut per minute and maximum 50 cut per minute. Table speed minimum 3 m per minute and maximum 25 m per minute. Machine specification. Material, all food contact parts are fully SS304. Blade non-corrosive coated blades. Maintenance easy and less. Safety features. Protected with hand safety guard and alarm. Tray safety and alarm. Specifications. Tray size 600 mm int 400 mm. Power supply single phase 240 voltage and 50 Hz. Power consumption 1 kW. Machine size 1200 length 1110 with 1500 height mm. This means higher customer satisfaction, faster service, better presentation, and increased profit. Less wastage means more earning. Less labor means lower cost. And faster working means more orders completed every day. Our cake cutting machine is not just a machine, it is an investment that saves time, reduces cost, and grows your business. Upgrade today, and cut your path to success. Contact us, 9865203278 and 9626560381 or email to sales1systemsautomation@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our video.